you see implantation process and how very easy. Firstly, you see here 3 kind of pearl oyster which are cultured in our pearl farm in Colombia. You see the first one, the name is the Acoya. Acoya is the most popular pearl oyster. It gives the pearl with diameter from 3 to 10 mm with 4 popular color: white, yellow, pink, and gray. Color of the pearl will depend on the color of the shell here. And the next one is the Tahiti. Tahiti, it gives black pearl, black color. This one, it takes about 3 or 4 years to give a pearl. And the last one here, the shell of the South Sea. South Sea is the biggest oyster, so it gives the biggest pearl. With diameter can be over 20 mm with 2 main colors, white and gold color. Okay? And you know, to make the culture pearl, we will implant the coral inside the oyster. You know, you see here, this is the natural pearl. Natural pearl with the shape is not round, not perfect, but the natural pearl is formed when a grain of sand gets inside the oyster. And oyster recognize as threatening irritants. So to protect the mollusk, a substance is called nacre. It's produced in layer and corrupt the irritants. And this will separate fish many times. After a few years, it becomes the natural pearl. But the natural pearl is very rare and the shape is not perfect. Now that you can see the pearl with the perfect round like this, this is the culture pearl, it's not the natural pearl. The culture pearl will implant this one inside the oyster. This is the coral. It's made of the shell. Some people think it's the plastic, but that's wrong. It's from the shell. Okay? Yeah. You see here, implant inside in here, we need 2 oysters, this one and that one. The first one is the donor oyster, so we choose strongest oyster, and then we cut off the membrane in here and here. After cut off like this, we divide it into small pieces. Have it with antibacterial liquid to keep moisture and protect the membrane. This oyster, it will be dyed when we cut off the membrane, and this membrane we implant in live oyster, another oyster. It means we implant one piece of the membrane in the oyster. The membrane, and this is very important because it stimulates the development of the pearl. Okay? And because oyster is still live, it can live out of water about 4 or 5 hours, and then you put back water. With this step, you see, first detection open the mouth of the oyster about 1 cm. Then she cut a small wire at the gonad of the oyster. Now she put a piece of the membrane inside. And then put the pearl later in same place so that they can be stick closely to each other. The membrane, and this after 15 days it will be melted and surround the part. Let's see the first layer left of the pearl. Okay, then you see? Yeah, you see inside white color membrane inside the gonad. Yeah. And when we finish in here, we will put back the water, and then you put in the next step. You see here, put it in here with the floating and then put under the water. First, they will put it in calm water about 1 month to recover slowly, and then move them to other area where the man and give water to pass naturally. Sometimes we take the oyster out, we need to keep away the disease and parasite, and then put back the water. After 2 years, we harvest the pearl. Right now, when we harvest, only 30% survives and give the pearl. 30% give the pearl. Because about 50% are die and 20% it puts the pearl out. Okay? And in that 30%, after harvesting the pearl, we'll classify different quality. You see, this is the grade of quality. More evaporated and forest A. Now this is the top, the best quality. 3.4 only 10 to 20%. This quality is perfect round shape. It shows shining and it less blemish on the surface. Single place with the medium quality. And this one is small blemish. It's not smooth and not shiny. So like this one about 30-40%. And B mean baroque. The shape is not round, irregular shape. About 50%. And you know, with the not perfect one like this, we'll grind them to make the cosmetic cream of the pearl powder for skin. Okay, and you see here, I will open this oyster. You see this one here, the Arcoya oyster. After 2 years, we implanted the core inside. We bring from pearl farm to here, and now I will open one of them. But as I said, only 30% success and give the pearl. So I'm not sure I have the pearl inside. Okay? Which one, please? Which one? Choose.
The bigger one, but
That one?
Yeah.
Okay. If you like it.
that's a big one.
It looks plump. It should be fine.
Okay, you see here. I will cut out the gonad to find the pearl. With 30% success, so maybe or maybe not. Oh, yeah, yes, that one. Yes, and as I said, the color of the pearl depends on the color of the shell. So you see here, it's similar color. Yeah. Yes, and now we take the quality of this pearl. Oh, you see. Oh, you see here is round shape but a little blemish in here. And you see a little blemish here. So this one only in the medium quality in here. Yeah.
They're not round.
A little blemish. Yeah. A little blemish. So we make the jewelry, we drill the hole in here, and then we stick with the setting to make the jewelry. And this oyster, you see, after harvesting the pearl, the meat for eating, and the shell like this, we use it to make the souvenir product, for example, lacquer painting or the lacquer ware. And now we go next room over there. I will show you about that.